everyone, what's up guys? So today we are looking at the Sonic ANGLE-1 portable Bluetooth speaker by TAGG. So TAGG is an Indian brand which produces a really good portable Bluetooth speakers. So you guys must be wondering, why are we reviewing this product which most of you haven't heard about in your life? So this product can give a run for your money. So we will find about this in our upcoming review. So looking around the box, we have few features which is put out over here. And also this comes with a 2200 milliampere battery, and it has a standby time of 250 hours, a playback time of 8 hours and a charging time of 2 hours. So this product costs 2500 on Amazon, and let's dive into the unboxing. So we have the speaker right here. Let us look at it later. So along with this, there is a micro USB cable provided and an aux cable. The quality is okay and not that good. Also, we have some paperwork for our warranty, registration and manual. Now coming to the speaker, it has a prism design. There are rubberized edges and the bottom is also rubberized. So this material is dirt magnet and it can easily get dirty. Also on this side we have the power button. It is quite tactile and gives a good response. So this is the TWS option, and as you can see here, this option is unique to TAGG products where you can connect different TAGG wireless speakers together. So we have the volume up and down buttons over here. The tactile feedback is very good. These can also be used to toggle between songs by long press. Also there is a Bluetooth button over here, and this speaker supports Bluetooth version 4.2. So on this side there is a rubber flap where you can access your aux port as well as the micro USB charging port. Now this speaker comes with an inbuilt mic and it supports Siri as well as Google Assistant. This is also rated as IPX5, which is splash proof, so you don't have to worry about minor splashes. So this one has also an inbuilt mic, and as you can see here, there are two 45mm speakers. On the bottom, there is a 50mm into 80mm passive bass driver. So now let's go ahead and turn on this device.
Hello. Battery medium.
So there is a blue LED indicator, and as you turn it on, it tells you there's how much battery left in this device. Now let's go ahead and pair with it.
You're connected.
The sound quality on this device is very good. The lows and mids are very clear, and at high levels the music does not get distorted, and the bass is really excellent as you saw from our video. So this is our final review on this product, and this product is worth every penny, and it's a really good device, and it can rival its competitors such as JBL, Logitech and FND.
Goodbye.